Happy Friday. So before you get started with your quiz, I wanted to give some instructions so that you meet all criteria for the quiz today. The first instruction I wanted to give is the materials that you will need in order to successfully complete Reading Quiz 2. Now this quiz is different than last week's because it's not multiple choice. It is a written task only. With that being said, you need the text. You can use chapters 1 through 6, so not just the reading this week, but you can use the reading from last week as well. You also need your signpost annotations for chapters 1 through 6 again. You need your comprehension questions for chapters 1 through 6, and the glossaries for chapters 1 through 6. This is just to help you in case you would like to refer back or if you're looking for a specific quotation when you are writing. Now, to complete the quiz, you need to pay attention to a couple of things. The first thing you should always open up is the checklist that I give you every single day. This assignment checklist breaks down how to complete the assignment. If you follow the checklist in order, you will clearly be able to see everything I expect in order for you to earn a proficient score on this second quiz. Now, one of the first things you should do is you should read the written task prompt. This task is asking you to write one paragraph about how life has changed for the Jewish people since the German soldiers, or Nazis, remember they are synonymous when we're referring to them. German soldiers are Nazis. How has life changed since they have invaded Poland, since they have arrived. Now, you should note your response only needs to be one paragraph. This is not an essay. While it has many of the elements of an essay, it's a condensed version, so please only write one paragraph. Do not forget to indent that paragraph. Also, in your paragraph, you must use quotations from the text. You should not be paraphrasing. That is why you have the option of taking your signpost, looking at the page number, and going back. It is there for you to make sure you are correctly citing and quoting, not paraphrasing. Now, before you type your paragraph, part of your grade is that you use the Prisoner B3087 Reading Quiz 2 graphic organizer that I have shared with you under the assignments for today. You do not need to use complete sentences. You can use words or phrases for the quotes. You can put the page number, but you do need to ensure that you plan something, that your thesis statement is clear for those 15 to 20 minutes. Now, remember, for your thesis statement, it's this overarching idea that you're describing the ways in which things have changed. Has it been for the better, for the worse? Explain to me how things have changed. That means you're using an adjective. Taking the time to plan will help you figure out the adjective you are using to describe how things have changed for the Jewish people since the Nazis have invaded. Now, before you submit your paragraph, right, and your graphic organizer, because you have a separate document to type your paragraph, you need to use that assignment checklist in order to ensure that you have met all the necessary criteria. On your first paragraph that you wrote about the Holocaust, I noticed many of you had spelling, grammar, and punctuation errors. You do lose points for that. You need to read your work at least twice before turning it into me, because silly grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors just show you are being lazy. This quiz is due by midnight tonight. So what that means is you are clearly allotting time. If it does not get done and it is submitted late, you will lose credit because you have been given ample time this week. All you should have to do today is plan and write this paragraph, which, like I said, should take no more than an hour. If you have questions, of course, you can email, text, call me, but all of the instructions are here. All of the documents, the 3 documents you need, are also given to you as well. So everyone should be able to complete this. Thank you.